What if I told you that you can create a lush, beautiful indoor jungle without soil, without any mess, no insects, and no overwatering stress? Just water and plants. Sounds a little unreal, right? But in today's video, I'm going to show you 17 stunning houseplants that can grow in just water and actually survive for a long time. And wait till you see number 7. I've had that plant sitting in the same water on my kitchen counter for 3 years, and it's still growing perfectly. So if you're a beginner, a renter, or just want a clean, modern plant setup, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Plant 1. Pothos. First up, Pothos. If you're a complete beginner, this is your best starting point. Also known as devil's ivy, this plant is almost impossible to kill. Just take a cutting, place it in water, and within a week, you'll start seeing roots. In many cases, it actually grows faster in water than in soil. And those long trailing vines in a clear glass container honestly look amazing. Just change the water every 1 to 2 weeks and keep it in bright, indirect light. You can literally grow this in water for years. Plant 2. Lucky bamboo. Next is lucky bamboo. Fun fact, it's not actually a bamboo. It's a tropical plant, but perfect for water growing. You've probably seen it in stores in decorative containers with water and pebbles. Just fill a container with water, add some stones for support if you like. Use clean water, filtered or distilled. Change it every 2 to 3 weeks and keep it away from direct sunlight, and it'll thrive for years. Plant 3. Spider plant. Plant number 3, spider plant. This one used to be super popular, and now it's trending again. The best part? Those baby plants. Just snip them off and drop them in water. Roots will grow within days, and in a clear glass, those striped leaves look super aesthetic. Bonus, it's also an air purifying plant. Plant 4. Philodendron. Next up is the Philodendron family. There are hundreds of varieties, and most of them grow easily in water. Just take a cutting with a node, place it in water, and it starts growing. Their vines and leaves give a very premium look in glass containers. Just change water weekly and give it bright indirect light. Plant 5. Coleus. Plant number 5 might surprise you. Coleus. Its leaves are incredibly colorful. Reds, purples, yellows, greens, all in one plant. And when grown in water, those colors look even more vibrant. Take a 4 to 6 inch cutting, place it in water, and roots appear in about a week. Keep it in bright light or the colors may fade. Plant 6. English ivy. Next is English ivy. Those trailing vines in a glass bottle look incredibly aesthetic. Take a 6 inch cutting, remove lower leaves, and place it in water. Roots appear in about 2 weeks. Quick warning, this plant can be toxic to pets, and don't forget regular water changes. Plant 7. Chinese evergreen. Now comes number 7, Chinese evergreen. This is the one I told you about. Mine has been growing in water for 3 years. Its leaves have a beautiful mix of green, pink, and silver. It can survive even in low light, which makes it perfect for offices. Change water every 2 weeks and occasionally add liquid fertilizer. Plant 8. Begonia. Next is begonia. If you like artistic plants, this one is for you. Its leaves have metallic shine, patterns, and colors that look like artwork. It takes a bit more patience because it roots slowly, but the result is totally worth it. Plant 9. Transcanthia. This one grows super fast, roots in just 3 to 5 days and new growth within weeks. Purple and silver leaves in a clear glass container look absolutely stunning. And if it gets leggy, just restart with fresh cuttings. Plant 10. Arrowhead vine. Next is arrowhead vine. Its leaves are shaped like arrows and come in many colors. As it grows, the leaf shape changes, which makes it even more interesting. Looks amazing in hanging setups. Plant 11. Monstera. Number 11, Monstera. Yes, the Instagram famous plant. And yes, it can grow in water too. You'll need a bigger container though. Those large split leaves in a glass vase look absolutely next level. Plant 12. Purple heart. This entire plant is deep purple, and in a white or clear container, it really stands out. Give it bright light or the color will fade. Plant 13. Impatiens. Next is impatiens, a flowering plant that can bloom even in water. Imagine having flowers all year round without soil. Plant 14, African violet leaves. Plant 14 is a bit different. African violet leaves. You can grow a whole new plant from just one leaf. Roots will form and then baby plants start growing. Watching this process is incredibly satisfying. Plant 15, peace lily. To grow it in water, you need to completely remove soil first and make sure the crown stays above water. Its white flowers and air purifying ability make it extra special. Plant 16, sweet potato vine. This one is mind-blowing, sweet potato vine. Yes, from a simple sweet potato, you can grow a beautiful vine. Use toothpicks, suspend it in water, and within days, roots and vines start growing. Fast growing and super fun to watch. Plant 17, basil and oregano. Last but not least, basil and oregano. You can grow fresh herbs in your kitchen using just water. Take cuttings, place them in water, and whenever you need, just snip fresh leaves. No need to buy again. Final tips. Here are some important tips. Always use clean water. Change water weekly. Use clear containers. Bright indirect light works best. Add liquid fertilizer once a month. And the best part, no soil, no mess, and no overwatering stress. Watching roots grow in water is honestly a different kind of satisfaction. So which plant are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And for more plant videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.